U.S. stocks mostly gained on Monday, with shares of Nvidia helping to boost other technology-related stocks. The Dow dipped 0.1%, while the S&P 500 added 0.7, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq surged more than 1.5%. Nvidia jumped nearly 8.5%, leading gains among semiconductor stocks as HSBC raised its price target to $780, the second highest on Wall Street. The chipmaker has been one of the biggest winners in the rally driven by artificial intelligence-related companies. Nvidia's stock is up more than 200% for the year so far, while the Nasdaq is up nearly 30%. Nvidia is expected to forecast quarterly revenue above analysts' estimates when it reports late on Wednesday. Also in the tech space, Palo Alto Networks surged nearly 15% after the cybersecurity firm's strong forecast, which investors digested over the weekend. Also giving tech stocks a lift, a potential pause in rate hikes by the U.S. Federal Reserve, says Johan Gran, head ETF strategist at Allianz Investment Management.
The tech sector itself has been watching the Fed, and just in general, with the Fed now being at that point where they may have peaked out on rate increases, it creates some stability. And if you layer in the strength of the consumer and the continuously strengthening economy, you can see why something like this will pop and generate some really big lifts in the stock price.
Investors await Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments Friday from the central bank's annual meeting in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Among other movers, Johnson & Johnson shares fell 3% after the healthcare conglomerate said it was expecting to retain a stake of about 9.5% in its newly separated consumer health unit, Kenvue. And Goldman Sachs' stock dipped nearly 1% after the bank said it was weighing a sale of part of its wealth business.